The Robotime ROKR Luminous Globe from Aspen of Hereford Limited. This 180-piece build-yourself globe that rotates with the use of the wave wheel at the front here. This activation structure allows you to experience a better feel when you're turning the globe. It also lights up and looks very beautiful. The vintage styling of this globe, along with the precision laser cut pieces, give a very detailed model that would look lovely on a table or bookshelf. On the side of the globe we have a 25mm magnifying glass porthole. It would make a wonderful gift. It's all made from forest friendly timber and natural soy inks for the colour. All the packaging that comes with the globe is recyclable. It's recommended for 14 years and above, and it measures 29.5 centimetres tall, 20.5 centimetres wide and 16.5 centimetres deep.